I used to spend entire weekends editing 60-second videos. Grab that discount link below first. Seriously, I'd sit there for hours just trying to get captions right, and don't even get me started on finding decent B-roll footage. Then I discovered Submagic AI, and honestly, it's like having a whole editing team in your browser. Let me show you exactly how this thing works, because once you see this, you'll wonder how you ever edited videos without it. First things first, head to submagic.co and sign up. The interface is super clean, no overwhelming buttons everywhere. Just upload your raw footage, and here's where the magic starts. Submagic's AI immediately analyzes your video and suggests the best parts to keep. It's like having an editor who actually knows what makes content go viral. Now, the captions. This is where I used to lose my mind. Submagic generates dynamic captions in 48 languages, and they're not just boring text boxes. We're talking animated, colorful, attention-grabbing captions that actually make people stop scrolling. You can customize everything, colors, fonts, animations, or just pick from their viral style templates. But wait, there's more. Need B-roll footage? Submagic connects you to premium stock footage that actually looks professional. No more searching through endless free stock sites for that perfect clip. The AI even suggests which B-roll matches your content best. And here's my favorite part, the audio enhancement. It automatically removes background noise and awkward silences. Your audio goes from amateur to professional with literally one click. Plus, it generates optimized descriptions and hooks for your social media posts. Look, I went from spending entire weekends on one video to cranking out multiple viral-ready videos in under an hour. So grab that discount link in the description below. Your future self will thank you for not wasting another weekend on manual editing.